You talking to the goldfish?
Katie, what's on your head?
Hot like that? It's a hood.
A hood?
A hood. It's not a hood. It's a towel. It's a towel.
Are you a babushka?
Babushka. A kitty cat.
Oh.
No, you look more like a chicken. A kitty cat. A duck.
A duck?
Quack, quack. What's this? What's this? Uh-oh.
Where'd she go?
No.
Where'd she go?
No.
Ah.
Meow.
Not peekaboo?